Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unbagging our IPSY Original for the month of May. For those of you who are not familiar with the IPSY bags, this information I will leave below so that you can check it out for yourself. In addition, there is a code down below so that you can get some coins, actually it's some foldable kind of money, off on your first bag. Okay, when I open it up, the very first thing we have is our makeup bag. All right, and I do like this one. It has that almost picnic kind of vibe is what it's giving me. Okay, you know, the tablecloths that we would put out most times when it's summertime, picnic time, it's usually red and white. But this one I really do like. The light blue is my favorite color. And I do like the wristlet pull, the zipper pull on here. Okay. And this one I must say I do like. All right. So let's just continue on. Now, when we open up the inside of our makeup bag, we have, and I'm glad to see it back again, y'all, a description card, not just an information card. And it says for the month of May, our theme is the art of the everyday. And it says this month we're exploring our favorite beauty trend of all, finding what works for you and wearing it with confidence over and over again. I'm here for that. Definitely here for that. All right. So we're just going to jump right in and let you know the very first item we have is by e.l.f. And it is this one right here. Now, I'm just going to say this to you because I said it to one of my daughters and they said, I didn't know that's what that meant. e.l.f. is eyes, lips, face. Okay, just so you know, that's what ELF stands for. All right, now this one is the Skin Holy Hydration, and it says it's a clean freak daily cleanser. This gentle daily cleanser is designed to help remove impurities and makeup without stripping your skin. Hyaluronic acid helps support lasting hydration for that fresh-faced, healthy-looking glow. Your skin feels comfortably clean, soft, and never tight. Okay, now this one is our first item, and it's our first full-size item. It is a 5.5 fluid ounce size, and it says this one is the Refresh and Hydrate series. Okay, and it says it is designed for all skin types, all of them, oily, dry, complexion, and sensitive. All right, and this one is a cruelty-free, vegan, and clean product. And it also has a 12-month shelf life. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $11. All right, now let's just see if it has, yes, it is sealed, which is good to know. There we go. So I can't really tell you if it has a fragrance to it or not, but it's always better to know that it is sealed and you know if it has been tampered with. So this one is item number one. Now let's just keep moving. The next item that we have is by Earth Harbor Naturals, and it's this one right here. And this one is the Aqua Aura Peptide Awake Eye Cream. Boy, that's a long title. All right, but I'm here for it. Aqua Aura. All right, and it says, brighten up tired eyes with this formula designed to help boost radiance and lock in moisture thanks to rejuvenating seaweed collagen. Blue tansy and potent antioxidants work together to help reduce the look of puffiness and support firmer, more rested looking skin. Okay, it does say that this one is a 0.24 fluid ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life. It is cruelty free and it is vegan. Now, according to this, it says it is a wake-up call for tired eyes and you should use it twice a day. That means AM and PM. All right. So this, of course, is the outer packaging. Let's see what the inside packaging looks like. There we go, right here. So as I stated, this one is a deluxe sample. Now, if you were to get the full size of this, it would be $26, and it would be a 15 milliliter size. Okay, item number 2. Let's keep going. The next one we have is by Tint, and it's this one right here, and it says Tint Beauty Glaze and Glow Glossy Lip Oil, a non-sticky high shine lip oil that hydrates and smooths with jojoba and shea butter. Wear alone, as a gloss, hydrated pout, or layer with your favorite lip combo for a glowy look that lasts. All right, now this one is a deluxe sample as well. So this one is the outer packaging. Let's see what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Now, it does give us an expiration date, which is January 2029. Have plenty of shelf life, okay? But it does expire 12 months after you open it, okay? It's a really small amount in here, you know, so I'm sure 12 months, unless you have several of them that you are using at a time, it won't take you 12 months to get through that. Now, if you were to get this in a full size, look, y'all, this print is so small on here. So I'm gonna have to find me a magnifying glass to keep close by. All right, but if you were to get the full size, it would be 5 milliliters and the price would be $24. Now, I don't really know if it has a scent to it. I doubt it, because according to the back of the bottle, it does say that this goes on clear. Even though it has a pink kind of hue to it here, it says it is a clear product. Okay, so let's keep going. The next one that we have is by Lower East Side. Now, this is the first time I've heard of that, and it says LES Beauty, and this is the felt tip eyeliner, and it is in the shade black. Now, it says get sharp, smudge resistant lines in one swipe. Okay, thanks to an easy to use felt tip that helps keep your look on point all day. All right, the inky black formula glides on smoothly for precise definition. Vitamin E helps support comfortable all day wear. Now, this one is another full-size item. All right, this is what the outer packaging looks like. Of course, nice sleek black look. And I'm going to show you what the inside packaging looks like. Now, this is really nice too, okay? How about that one? How about that right there? And it says this one is a 0.06 ounce size. It is a cruelty-free. Yes, it is a cruelty-free product, and it also has a 12-month shelf life. Now, as I stated, this one is another full-size item. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. All right, now it is safety sealed as well, so I'm really got to think about it to see if we're going to open this, you know, so that we can see what it looks like as it glides on. But I'm going to think about that, and we'll see what happens. All right, we're down to our last item in this month's bag, and this one is by Dew of the Gods, and this is the H2O Blue Spirulina Daily Gel Moisturizer. Boy, these names are getting longer and longer. All right, now it says this ultralight gel helps to deeply hydrate without feeling greasy, with blue spirulina, known for its skin supporting benefits. Enjoy a dewy, refreshed look, no heavy residue here, designed to leave skin feeling bouncy and ready for whatever comes. Okay, now this one is a 0.51 fluid ounce size. Yes, another deluxe sample size, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Alrighty, Now it does say that this one is a daily moisturizer, so you can use it every day. It is a cooling and hydrating formula, and it says that it is vegan and cruelty free. Now, as I told you, it is a deluxe sample, but if you were to get the full size, it would be 100 milliliters and the cost would be $42. Okay, I do have some products by Dew of the Gods. Haven't really used them yet, but this one is safety sealed as well, thank goodness. Everything was, now that I really look at it, you know, the Dew of the Gods packaging is covered completely in the plastic wrap, but inside it is safety sealed as well. Okay, do you think of the items that came in this month's IPSY Original? Have you gotten yours yet? Let me know if you've gotten yours already. Now, let's see. Is there anything here that we can swatch? Technically, not really. Not really. Because we do have a 12-month shelf life on our eyeliner. But I love the claims on it. That's the thing. But I have 3 of them open, 2 of which are a felt tip. So I don't necessarily want to open another one just yet. You know, I need to wait until this one gets rather low. But when we do try it out and are ready to use it, I will let you know in whatever video we do. If it is a wear the box where we try out everything that came in our boxes, I will let you know. Okay? I just want to tell you I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our IPSY Original. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the full-size items that were enclosed. All right, now make sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. If you are a IPSY Original subscriber, make sure you give it the thumbs up. All right, and then make sure you leave me a comment down below. If you've already received your bag, are we IPSY twins? Did we get some of the same items? Were you pleased with the ones that you received? Let me know down below. And if you did not like this video, let me know why. What could we have done better? Or if it's not about me and about the items, what would you rather have seen? How about that? Let me know down below. All right. Now make sure you subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. You know we'd be more than happy to have you. And it's easy on the pocket because it is free. All right. Now share this video with someone else who may be in the market to try some things out, but they're not ready to commit by spending so much cash. Let me tell you something. Times can be a little hard right now, and we got to make these coins stretch. So if you think they would like to have something where they can choose a full-size product and go ahead and get sample sizes, share it with them, okay? But most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.